The chapel took a bad first hit, stone cracked through the nave. Flame climbed dry into the beams and the dust fell like a grave. Still somebody had to climb, still somebody had to warn. If the valley slept 1 minute more, the road below was torn. So I took the spiral staircase, half collapsed in black with heat. Shield on back, sword at side, ash and sparks around my feet. By the time I reached the tower, my lungs were knives and burning tar. The bell rope hung there through the smoke like a line from where you are. Smoke in the bell tower, fire in the throat. Still I pulled the warning over the valley, still I made the iron note. Let the rafters groan and splinter, let the sparks consume the air. If the line below still needed waking, then I would ring till heaven heard. Then I would ring till heaven heard. Every pull shook dust and thunder, every strike rolled through the dark, over roofs and fields and wagons, like a giant frightened heart. I could barely see the hills then, only orange through the haze. But the sound kept moving outward, and I knew it found its place. Not all watchmen carry banners, not all courage meets with steel. Sometimes faith is just one man, making sure the sleeping feel. Smoke in the bell tower, fire in the throat. Still I pulled the warning over the valley, still I made the iron note. Let the rafters groan and splinter, let the sparks consume the air. If the line below still needed waking, then I would ring till heaven heard. Then the beam beside me shifted, then the stairwell spat out flame, then the whole tower leaned a whisper, like it might not keep its frame. So I rang with both hands blistered, rang until the bell turned wide.